Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide your YouTube subscriber count. First of all, you have to type on Safari or Google Chrome Studio YouTube. Then you will get this youtubestudio.com. After that, you can log in and get started. Then you have to continue to the studio from this browser, not from the app. Then you have to click on this setting button, that small button. Then you will have to click on that channel and in advanced settings. Then you can swipe down and that's the subscriber count. Display the number of people who subscribe to my channel. Then you have to uncheck this and save. And now you can check